Welcome back to Speargrass Forge. If you're new here, thanks for coming. If you come back, thanks for returning. Today, I'm going to show you the easiest blacksmithing project, no forge required. Stick around. Alrighty, so just to clarify, I did say that you didn't need a forge. However, you do need a heat source. So for this little project, I'm just using a little propane torch. I'm using my little steak anvil, and I'm using my French cross peen hammer. However, in a minute I will grab a regular store-bought ball peen hammer and do exactly the same thing with that too. The only other thing you need are a couple of pairs of small pliers to hold the stock, and these. Now this is a horseshoe nail. Now they're in the perfect shape, these, and what I'm going to be making are these little hooks. Now this head is perfect size to flatten out into these hooks. You drill a hole in them, and then you can screw them to a wall, nail them to a wall, whatnot. So I'm going to show you how quick and easy this is to do. Even if you don't have a forge, you can set this up at home. It doesn't make too much noise, and get into hammering if you don't have anything to start with. So stick around, I'll light this up, and I'll show you in real time how quick it gets done. Now you can do this in 1 or 2 heats. Now I had this gripped badly in this pair of pliers, so I'm just going to reheat this. Now it's thinner, it should heat faster. Got the head nice and flat now. Spin around. Got to do a little curlicue on the end. Now I've got the little curlicue. I'm going to switch this over. Grab this with the flat end and just bend myself a little bit of a hook. Now, of course, if you're going to be making more than a couple of these, I recommend you set up a jig. Now, I do have a bending jig just off to my side, but I'm just showing you how easy this is to get done. Now, it's a little bit not straight at the moment, so I'm just going to grab this hook bit, give it a bit of a tweak, so it's straightened up, and let's pull this off, and that's one done. So that's nice and easy. So that was with my cross peen hammer, but I'm going to show you, I'm now just going to quickly grab my ball peen hammer and do exactly the same thing. Just with a store-bought ball peen. So, here's my store-bought ball peen. Now, it's got some marring on the face, because I've used this for other things. So, at the end of the day, that marring is going to show up on the hook. But, just for the demonstration purposes, I don't feel like dressing my face at the moment, so I'm going to just use it as it is, but show you the point anyway. So here's another real-time demonstration. It's into the heat source down here. I'm going to get it nice and red hot, maybe a little bit above red, maybe to an orange. Red's a little bit low probably. again with a curly cue at the end. Straighten it up. And the other pair of pliers, start bending that round into a hook. And there we are, done. Now, as you can see on here, there is a little bit of marring. Let's see if I can get that to focus. There is a little bit of marring, but that comes from the face of this hammer. There's a little bit of marring on there. But that's okay, not too bad for something that's quick and easy. So now I'm going to show you how easy it is to make these with a bit bigger of an anvil and a bending jig. So stick around, I'll move the camera and I'll show you in a moment. So just quickly, while I'm moving the camera, I got some mail. So may as well do this in the middle here before we get any further, so you can see exactly what I got. So opening up this first one. Oh, it's stickers. I like stickers. They're going to have to go on the wall. So this is from Metal Man, this is from Kenny. So I've got a couple of Kenny stickers. Takes a little while for things to get shipped over the world, but here I now have a Metal Man's Productions sticker. So that's going, one will be going on my toolbox, the other one will be going over there behind us on the wall. I'll do that in just a minute. And next envelope is from Tiger Creek Ironworks. Here's the stickers for Tiger Creek Ironworks. They're really cool. Everyone's got such awesome designs for their stickers. It's all different, and you can see all the different ones over on there. But these will be going up again on my toolbox and on my on the Wall of Fame. And of course, I've got one here from Nemo's Forge, from my mate Ben Toombs. I say young Ben Toombs, but I'm pretty sure he's older than me. But he is shorter. And I get his really awesome stickers. So I've actually got 4 stickers here. So I have 2 different types. I've got the Tombstone for Ben Toombs, Nemo's Forge. So that's cool. That's going on the Wall of Fame. Of course, I've got 2 of those. And the second one is just a regular square sticker. So that's ready to go onto the wall as well. So of course, Ben, having 2 lots of stickers, gets 2 places just like Dana on the Wall of Fame. So that's going up there. So I'll move you closer. We'll stick these on, and then we'll get back to the rest of the video. Alrighty, so I'm going to have to work down the wall here. Starting to get a bit fuller than I thought it would be. I didn't think that people sending me stickers with this many this fast. So I'm either going to have to make another wall, which is alright. I'll have plenty of space when I get to the new when I build my new forge. But that's a little bit a while away yet. So I don't have the nails to pull off these stickers. Alright, so I'm going to put this one, this square Nemo's Forge one, right underneath JT from Drayson's. If I can get it square, which I can't, but that's alright. Ben himself is a bit lopsided. Whack Metal Man right in between the 2 bends. Yep. finally, raise the camera up a bit. Whoop. I've got a bit of room in this top corner up here. I'll put the Tiger Creek Ironworks one right there because it's perfect fit. Look at that. It's like it was made for it. So, now, we'll get back to forging. Try it again, shall we? There we go. And this is my little bending jig. And there we go. Another hook made. You don't need to heat up this hook, this shaft of the nail, in order to do this bend. It can be done cold because it's thin enough to do so. So now, all you got to do is drill a few holes, and you end up with hooks just like these. So, thanks for watching. If you like what you saw, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Click the bell icon for notifications for when I upload. Usually on the week, however lately, because of the build and everything like that, it has been once a fortnight. However, I hope to get back into my regular schedule very, very shortly. Don't forget to check out my previous videos, and I'll catch you all next time. Cheers.